If you have a house in Walbridge, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, we've been buying houses in and around Walbridge and all over the Toledo area. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it very easy for you. What that means is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't got to haul anything away, you don't got to hire guys to come over and help you or anything, give us credits to clean. No, we'll take it in its as-is condition because when we purchase your house in Walbridge, we're a cash buyer. And that's very important to know. We're not relying on some bank or mortgage company or lender to approve this purchase. There's no outside forces that we need to rely on. We're a true cash buyer, and that's very important to know because we have the ability to close on your timeline. So not only do you not need to do any repairs, we'll buy it in its as-is condition, but we'll close whenever you want to. So if you want to close quickly, we can accommodate your needs. If you prefer flexibility, if we got to set up a date at some point in the future, we could accommodate your needs there as well. Whatever the case may be, we're not relying on some mortgage company or bank. That's what you get with these traditional buyers. A lot of times these traditional buyers, you know what they're doing? They're driving around with the real estate agents. They're going to make you an offer on your house. And then if you accept the offer, guess what? Now you're paying commission. And that's money right out of your pocket. And then if they ever make it to the closing table, they're using this traditional bank. Maybe that bank is going to send through a formal appraisal, formal inspector. They're going to nitpick your house. And then maybe they want repairs done. Now they got to send the appraiser back out. It's a nightmare. Keep it simple like so many people do. And that's exactly what we do here. So if you have a house in or around Walbridge and you want to sell fast or at least know what your options are, give us a call here at 614-300-5151. Our website, if you prefer to go online and fill out a little form, the website is www.sellhousecolumbus.com. Now I know what you're thinking. It says Columbus in the website name. We buy in Walbridge. We buy all over Toledo. Perfectly fine. We were just founded in Columbus, but we're all over the great state of Ohio. And if you have a house in Walbridge, you want to sell it as is, pick up the phone, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. So you're not going to feel any pressure. This is not a call center. This is not some foreign call center who's trying to work some deal in Ohio. No, we're Ohio locals. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. And when we talk to you, we just need to know more about the house and then know more about your closing timeline so we can accommodate your needs. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Walbridge house. If it works for you, perfect. We'll make it happen for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, there's never going to be any pressure. There's never going to be any inconveniences and fake urgency and, nothing like that whatsoever. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll simply shake hands and part as friends. So if you have a house in Walbridge and you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, pick up the phone and give us a call, or at least understand what your options are. We don't bite. We're very easy to work with. Our phone number is 614-300-5151. Website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.